In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do if your PC seems unsupported for Windows 11 and why you shouldn't rush out to buy a new one just yet. Instead, there's a handy workaround that lets you enhance your current system without the hassle and expense of upgrading. It's simple, efficient, and all you'll need is a USB drive and a bit of time. Let's start by downloading the Windows 11 size file directly from Microsoft. You'll want to head over to the official Microsoft website, where you can find the software download section for Windows 11. Getting the ISO file from a reliable source is critical to avoid any issues or malware, so stick to the official channels for your downloads. Next, you'll need a tool called Rufus, which you can download from its official website. Rufus is a popular USB tool that makes it easy to create a bootable USB drive, and it's entirely free to use. Once Rufus is downloaded and installed on your computer, grab a USB drive that's at least 8 GB or larger. Make sure to back up any important files on it since we'll be formatting the drive, erasing all the data. With your USB drive ready, fire up Rufus. When it opens, you'll first want to check the device option on the interface, ensuring you've selected your correctly plugged-in USB. Take a moment to verify that you have the right one because you wouldn't want to accidentally format another drive on your system. Under Boot Selection, click to choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded from Microsoft earlier. This file contains all the necessary data to help us get Windows 11 up and running on systems that might initially seem unsupported. Now this next part is where the magic happens. When you click Start, a set of options will appear. Make sure to tick all three boxes you see: Remove TPM 2.0 requirement, Remove Secure Boot requirement, and Remove RAM check. These options effectively bypass the restrictions that usually prevent older PCs from installing Windows 11, making them incredibly crucial for this workaround. Once you have everything correctly set, simply click the Start button. Rufus will now create the bootable installation media for your PC, a process that might take a few minutes. Be patient and ensure your computer stays on throughout. After Rufus completes its task, it's time for installation. Restart your computer and boot from the USB drive we just prepared. This step generally requires you to press a key like F2, F12, or Delete during startup to access the boot menu. Check your computer's manual if you're unsure. From there, select your USB drive and follow the prompts to install Windows 11. You'll find that the installation process runs smoothly, just like any typical Windows setup. And there you have it. You've successfully outsmarted the system requirements and given your trusty old computer a new lease on life without spending a dime on new hardware. Enjoy your updated system and the features that come with Windows 11.